Let's take a quick look at some of the other justify values for justify content. Space between, even space in between. Flex start will move everything to the beginning, like this. And flex end is going to move everything to the end of this row. And center is going to make them all group up in the center of the row. I'm going to set it to flex start. So justified content flex start. Now I want this search to go all the way off there. We had that happening when this was space between. But I'm also interested in this maybe floating off to this side or maybe floating off to this side. Let me start out with flex start, which puts this here. I want to move this item all the way to the right side. Go to the search class and use margin left equals auto. And by adding margin left equals auto, it's going to move the search off to the side. If I want to move the nav bar and the search off to the right side, let me remove margin left auto from search and move it to the nav bar, saving it. And that will move both the nav bar and search off to the right side. This way you can have a nav bar that grows from the right. You want the nav bar to be hanging out on the left side and the search on the right side, move margin left auto to the search class. Something else that you might want to do is to expand the nav bar area to the full width of the empty space. And that would occur as you put in objects, but maybe you want to expand it right now. Going to the nav bar and adding flex grow. I'm going to put 1. Hit refresh. And now this nav bar will take up 100% of the empty space. As logo expands, this area will shrink. Let me add in the word logo to show that. I want to align all this content to the vertical center. This means everything within the top of page, which is that blue section, will appear vertically centered. Go to the top of page. Under its class, just add in align items center, save it, and when you hit refresh, and now the items within this area are centered. I'm going to remove this blue area by commenting out the background color of the top of page, and to make a comment, / asterisk, and to stop commenting, which is very important, otherwise none of your styles will work after this point, star asterisk / again. Save it and review. Next step is to make the navigation bar work. One last note, even though the nav bar is fully centered, if you want the items within it to either go left or right, go to the nav bar area within the CSS and use text align. Text align left will pull all those items to the left side, and text align right will push everything to the right side. And currently the natural state without text align is to center everything.